Today I'm making Mediterranean. We're making a Loukaniko gyro. All right, folks, we're back. Making Mediterranean. I'm excited for today's episode. We are making gyro.
Gyro.
How's that?
Gyro.
Gyro?
Gyro.
Gyro?
Gyro.
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 Gyro. You know? Gyro. That's the Greek version, and then our American version is gyro.
Gyro.
But gyro.
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 Okay.
Gyro.
Let's get on with it, okay? All right. So we are making a Greek sausage gyro.
Gyro.
Gyro, gyro, gyro.
My job is just to make
yo, whatever, you know what I'm saying? We are making Italian Greek sausage, gyro, gyro, gyro. This is going to be crazy. This is going to be an hour-long video if we keep this up. But anyway, I'm going to say gyro. So we're making Loukaniko. It's a Greek sausage. There is a couple different versions. This one has orange in it. The other has leeks, I believe, is the other one that we use. But we're going to use this one today. Whoa, I'm dropping everything. So there's the leek, there's the orange. So what kind of Greek sausage do you like, Eleni?
I like this one a lot, actually.
Oh, this one? Okay, we're going with this one. All right, so anyway, if you guys can't find Loukaniko, if you're living in an area that doesn't have Greek food at the ready, you can use a Italian sausage or a bratwurst, you know, Johnsonville's brats. Those would be awesome in this as well. So, we've got our sausage. We have our grilled flatbread or pita that you guys can use. We have our peppers, our onion. We're gonna need a cucumber and our Greek yogurt to make our tzatziki sauce. Yes?
Garlic.
We got garlic. It's just there, it's little. I already got it peeled, that's why. We got a little bit of garlic right there too. So we'll show you our tzatziki sauce, real easy to make, and you're gonna love it. You're gonna use it for everything. It's great for a vegetable dip, but remember, if you can't find the Greek sausage, Italian sausage or brats would be really good. Actually, the beer brats from Johnsonville, those are good. Those are real good. All right, so we're back. We got our ingredients. We have our Fage yogurt, 5% fat. It's my favorite yogurt, as I told you in a previous video, and we're not getting paid by them. But if they do want to pay us, hey, I'll take the check. All right, so we're gonna get a quarter cup, actually just do a half a cup of Greek yogurt in there.
Spoon.
She'll get a spoon. In the meantime, I got our whisk ready. We have our garlic press, and we have our box grater. This one's kind of an octagon.
Ready?
All right, so we're gonna get a couple good scoops in there, about half a cup, a little bit more, because I like extra. All right.
Good.
Yeah, let's do it. All right, we're gonna make that a cup. We're gonna make that a cup of Greek yogurt. All right, and we're gonna take our garlic cloves. Oh, I found it. I found it. All right, and we're gonna press our garlic in there if you want to do that.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, folks, we're gonna have to do this the old-fashioned way. Holy mackerel. What kind of muscles you got? Them Greeks, they're strong. Oh my goodness. I can't believe she broke it. It happens. It happens. We're gonna quickly improvise this.
Ow.
Wow. You know what? I'm bringing my good one next time. Next time I got a good one, we're gonna bring it. Oh my goodness, that's crazy. That was nuts. All right, so I'm gonna chop this sucker up real fine. Or use a garlic press. Maybe get a metal one, not a plastic one. That was insane. Are you all right?
Yeah.
Ah, you Greeks are tough. That's all right. You can handle it. So we got ourselves a clove and a half of garlic or 1 big clove. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna get our cucumber together. We need probably like 1/4 of our cucumber, and then we're gonna use our box grater, get a nice fine grind on that, and just shred that all the way down. You want about 1/4 cup of grated cucumber for this. All right, hold on. All right, that's pretty good. So what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna just put this in some paper towel because we want to, I'm gonna show you guys, we want to squeeze all that liquid out because we don't want that in our tzatziki sauce. So we squeeze out our liquid. Smile, you're on camera. All right, so now we have our grated cucumber, so we want that in there. If we left the water in there, we didn't squeeze it out, then we would have really watery, gross tzatziki sauce, and we don't want that. Okay, so we need one more thing. We need, if you have fresh lemon juice, use half a lemon, squeeze that in there. But we have some real lemon juice here, and we're gonna give it a little bit. It's about a tablespoon if you're using the jarred. All right, so now we're just gonna give this a nice whisk, get everything incorporated. And that is pretty much our tzatziki right there. Nice, easy, simple. So here we go, getting on with our veg. I mean, I still can't get over the garlic press incident. It's crazy. So Lenny's going to show us how we are going to cut our vegetables for the Loukaniko Gyro. All right, good. Gyro. All right, so she's going to show you actually a really good tip for cutting peppers. We're gonna make sure the labels are off.
Yes.
They are. Make sure they're washed.
Yes.
They are. Okay. And then we're gonna cut our peppers. Okay, so we cut the sides first, and that helps us eliminate all the seeds, keep them together, and then you can discard the rest. So we just have this. So you see on the pepper, there's that white pith. You wanna get rid of that. You don't want to use that at all because it's bitter and it just tastes like, what do the Greeks say? Skata. If you don't know what skata is, look it up. But I think you could probably figure it out. So we're going to chop that up. Nice slices, not too thin, not too thick. All right, so we have our peppers. We're going to put them in a bowl. Save them for later. All right, and now we're gonna work on our onion. Can I cut the onion?
Yes, please.
All right. We're gonna top it, okay? So every vegetable has a top, has a tail. We're gonna take the top off. We're gonna leave the tail on. So I'm gonna cut this on the side because I want a thicker cut. So now I'm gonna get rid of the root because I can do this fast. Again, don't cut the onion right over your eyes because the gases then go into your eyes and that also starts crying. So I'm gonna cut my onions like this because I want them thicker. So when I break them up, I have these nice pieces. So yeah, no tears right now.
No tears.
No tears.
No tears.
All right. So those go in our bowl. I'm gonna work on this other one here real quick. Break it apart. And then into the bowl. I'm making a mess. So we have our veg, our bell pepper, our onion, and now we are going to get our sausage together. If you can open those up for me, that would be great. We're gonna put this on the side so we're not blocking our viewers. Just get your oven really hot, throw them in there. We wanna give them a good cook on nice high heat. And otherwise, this would be done on a grill, gas grill. I prefer charcoal. Charcoal's my favorite. But when we get to those that time of year for us, we'll do some outdoor stuff and we'll show you all those other techniques. All right, our sausage. Oh man, look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Nice and seared off, split open. So 15 minutes in the oven at 450. Halfway through, you're gonna turn them over. Give them a little turn over with the tongs so they get brown on both sides. And then you get yourself a nice, crispy, beautiful Loukaniko. All right, we're gonna get our pan heated up. Get it on high heat. Here we go. And we're gonna place a tablespoon of olive oil in our pan. Nice. All right, our pan is hot, and now we're gonna add our vegetables to the pan. Hear that sizzle? All right, once we get our veg in there, we're gonna add about a teaspoon of salt to that. All right, and once we have that mix, we're gonna add our Greek spices. This is a souvlaki spice. It has salt, pepper, Greek oregano, and cumin. Or you can just reuse regular oregano if you can't get the souvlaki spice. Now we're gonna mix that all up. All right, and then we're gonna give that a saute for about 5 minutes so the onions get a little translucent. All right, it's building time. I can't wait to eat this sandwich. All right, looks like our veg is done. Lenny's gonna come over here and we are gonna build this baby up. Put that right there. We have all our components. We have our Loukaniko. We got our peppers and our onions with our spices. And I have misplaced my my thing. It's my pot holder. So, all right. So we have our pita. We wrapped in foil and we kept it in our oven that we were using the residual heat from our sandwiches. So we're gonna take our foil, put this over here right now. So I have a square piece of foil. So I don't know if everyone knows, but there's two sides to foil. There's a shiny side, there's a dull side. Food should always go to the shiny side. So if I was storing something, the dull side would be on top. Also, if you're going somewhere and you need to write a marker on here and label what it is, it'll write on the dull side, it will not write on this shiny side. All right, we're gonna fold a corner like that, and then we're gonna flip it over, shiny side up. Then we're gonna take our pita and we're gonna expose it a little bit. It's gonna stick out a little. Then what we're gonna do is put our Tzatziki right on there. Spread it out, don't be shy. That wonderful cucumber and garlic dressing that we made with our Greek yogurt. The more the merrier, I always say. That's just me. All right, and we're gonna put our Loukaniko on there. I'm gonna cut up a few more pieces. So here you guys can see. We're gonna cut it long ways. Just like that. Just like so. And then we're gonna get it right onto our sandwich. Whoa, you ain't getting away. There ain't no running from me. We're all going into the sandwich. All right, and then we're gonna get our veg right on top. Lenny did a great job on this veg, man. It's perfect. See how you can kind of see through the onions, but they're not totally see through. There's a little opaqueness to it. That's what you want. You don't want your veg to be too too mushy because then there's no texture. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna get this in our hand, like so, and then I'm gonna fold one side across my gyro. Then I'm gonna get the other side across like that. And then I'm gonna twist this so my juices don't go flying everywhere. And then it's nice and packed. And that right there is what you're looking for. That's what it's all about. That is a beautiful, beautiful gyro. So good. All right. Time for Lenny to taste her beautiful sandwich. All right, we're going in. But cheers.
Cheers.
I'm going in for another bite.
Wow. That tzatziki sauce is
It's good, right?
good.
I can't get enough of this. I gotta put it down though. That is really nice. And we're serving it on our food truck, like I said before, so it's a nice, which we're doing for the first time this season. It's a nice sandwich.
It's really good.
Guys, you have to try this. Like I said, if you can't get the Loukaniko, the Johnsonville, who, you know, we're not being paid by those guys, but again, I love those guys, so if they want to pay us, I'll take a check. But the Johnsonville beer brats would be fantastic because it has that little tang to it that I think really lends well with this this sandwich.
I don't think people think to make a gyro at home. I think when they
No,
think
even when they're
gyro-
having barbecues, like it's better than just a burger or a hot dog. Like
Mix it up.
You know, you can make your own bar. You can put a little buffet together and little steam tables, and people can just make their own. It's awesome.
Gyros are very popular.
But thanks, guys, for tuning in.
Thanks, guys.
This was awesome. We'll have another one shortly for you. And remember, whatever you do,
Make it Mediterranean.
make it Mediterranean, guys. That's right. We love it. Awesome. We'll see you soon.
See you soon, guys.